So we found this tray and we thought, let's decorate it for the holidays. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take some 220 sandpaper, give it a light sand all over, and break the sheen of the old finish. And then we'll give it a wipe down with denatured alcohol and we'll be ready to base coat. Okay, I sanded it. I'm going to quickly dust off any of the sanding dust. And then I really like to take some denatured alcohol. And this is a great way to clean any grease or oil or furniture polish or anything that might be on this old finish. Also removes the sanding dust and gets us ready for base coat. We're going to base coat this with a Benjamin Moore Navajo White flat. And get this going. So dip my brush in and get this tray on the way. Okay, we got our base coat done on the tray, and now we're going to take this beautiful holiday stencil with ornaments, and we're going to take it outside and apply a little bit of spray adhesive to the back of it. This is going to help reduce bleed when we stencil this beautiful tray. Okay, it's time to stencil. So we've selected some beautiful holiday acrylic colors here. That's part of the fun. So just find the colors that are meaningful for you and you'll know they're right. Now we have our stencil. We put some spray adhesive on the back. And since this almost fits perfectly, I'm just going to eyeball this. You can eyeball this and get it close, or you can measure it, but this is going to be just fine eyeballed because it's not an exactly symmetrical design anyway. Okay, we are ready to stencil. Okay, I dip the brush in just a little bit, and then I do a circular motion, and that is called palleting the brush, and that puts it right into the tips. Then I do a little bit of an offload, and I'm ready to go. So this is a perfect project for the holidays because you get to get creative, upcycle a piece, and actually have a usable tray at the end of it all to serve your guests. Try not to put the same colors next to each other. Take advantage of these different breaks in the motifs and the ornaments here. And you know, I can even jump and skip to the next one over. Do red here. I'll do this little detail here in red. But you know, mix it up a little bit. Have some fun with your design. Try not to get into the other designs. You can always tape off the designs next to the one you're stenciling if you're worried about bleeding into the next one. Or just be very deliberate. Okay, done stenciling. It's time to protect this beautiful tray with some varathane, polyurethane. We like the water-based polyurethane here. It doesn't yellow as much as oil-based. The trick about polyurethane is you always want to stir it from the bottom because you don't want to shake it and incorporate bubbles. So you just come in and give it a nice stir from the bottom, and then you're ready to go. Don't worry, it's white now. It might have a little blue tint while it's still wet, but it will dry crystal clear. Just using a nice nylon bristle brush for water-based paints. This works great. I'm working right out of the quart itself, and let's get a coat on this.